Great. You want to take us back into, I took you off sharing. If you want to jump back in.
Yeah.
And while Tom's setting up, you can find Tom's websites at scanyourspace.com and sparksmediagroup.com. And also Tom is pretty prolific posting in the We Get Around Network forum. You can find all of Tom's posts at WGAN.info/Sparks Media Group. And in the We Get Around Network forum, it's you can chat with Tom at Sparks, the @ symbol, Sparks Media Group. Back to you for the demo.
So click on these 3 dots here and you can get some more actions. So we can share and invite, and that's basically the same thing as doing it right here. We can create folders within our account on Matterport. So we can have a folder called residential. We can have a folder called, I don't know, Disneyland. And we can move the particular tour around through folders. We can copy a space, which is what I did with this one. I duplicated it within the account. We can transfer space. So I have some clients that I scan for, and sometimes I'll upload them to my account and then I'll transfer it to their account. So you can transfer from one Matterport account holder to another one right here. And then recently released on the professional plans, and the newer plans are the ability to archive spaces, and you can do that here where it doesn't count as a space used against you for hosting purposes, but you're able to still keep it and not lose all that data. And if you ever need to bring it back, you can unarchive it.
Okay, great.
And then we can delete it. If we don't like it, we'll just hit the delete button and away it goes. So should we get into editing?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sorry.